Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can connect your GoDaddy domain to Lovable AI. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. And this will allow you to host your AI projects on a professional domain. So first you will log into your Lovable AI, and once you're here, you will just have to go to your settings, and then you will just have to click custom domains if you do have that option. And then you will just have to click add domain, and then you will type in your GoDaddy domain, and then after that you will just have to sign in or log into your GoDaddy account and then go to your my product. So it should be right here if you do have the full version of the website. And the next, you will just have to go to your DNS management, and then you will add a CNAME or a record as instructed by Lovable AI. And finally, you will just have to return to your Lovable AI and click verify domain and test your domain to ensure that it connects correctly. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.